Songs that have the best of Ringo's drumming. Are you a Beatles fan looking to dive deeper into Ringo Starr's drumming? You might be surprised by how his simple yet iconic style shaped some of the band's biggest hits. Stay tuned, because in this video I'm sharing the Beatles songs that showcase the best of Ringo's drumming and how his unique approach made him a legend, which is kinda difficult, simply because he rarely played anything other than basic rhythms. But as they say, it's not what you do, it's the way that you do it that counts. Developing drummers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you've probably wondered what makes Ringo Starr's drumming stand out, especially in a band as legendary as the Beatles. While Ringo might not have been known for flashy fills or technical complexity, his drumming played a crucial role in some of the most timeless music ever recorded. In today's video, we're breaking down the Beatles songs, where Ringo's drumming truly shines, and why he's more than just the guy who played in the Beatles. Let's jump in. First off, let me say this. Ringo Starr's drumming is different from many of the drummers we typically idolise. If you're into the flashy technical styles of Buddy Rich or Dave Weckl like I am, you might have overlooked Ringo at first. But Ringo had something else. He knew how to play exactly what the song needed. And that's not always easy to do. You have to get out of your own way and put the music first, which is exactly what he did, song after song, after song. One of the best examples of Ringo's drumming is Come Together. The laid-back, almost hypnotic groove he creates is a perfect fit for the song. It's subtle, but it adds so much to the vibe and feel of the track without overcomplicating it. Another gem is A Day in the Life. Ringo's fills here aren't technically flashy, but they add drama and tension at just the right moments. His ability to elevate a song with simplicity is what made him stand out. And let's not forget something. In this track, his drumming is smooth and understated, letting the melody shine while keeping everything locked in rhythmically. It's this kind of restraint that often goes unnoticed, but it's a key part of what made the Beatles' music so timeless. One more song that highlights his skill is Ticket to Ride. The slightly off-kilter beat he plays gives the song its distinct groove. It's a great example of how Ringo could take a basic rhythm and add a twist that made it memorable, and at the same time fitting perfectly to the song. Now, while Ringo wasn't known for being the most technical drummer, it's important to remember that it's not about how many notes you play. It's about how well you serve the music. Even John Lennon, who famously joked about Ringo's abilities, reportedly asked another drummer to play it like Ringo when he was struggling to get the right feel in the studio. So, what can we learn from Ringo? Sometimes less is more. His ability to lay down solid creative grooves while staying out of the way of the music is a lesson all drummers can benefit from. So, what next? If you want to get inspired by more of Ringo's iconic drumming, start by listening to these tracks and take a deep dive into the Beatles' discography. But before you go, if you've ever struggled with staying motivated as a drummer, especially if you're just starting out or feel like you're behind, I've got a video you won't want to miss. Click to watch my next video on how to stay motivated as a drummer, no matter your age or skill level.